Welcome back, students of 7th class. So this is mathematics lecture, chapter 20 mensuration. So here friends, in this video session we will cover a couple of questions of exercise 20a. So in the prior to this video we had discussed examples problem of exercise 20a. So this is the time to cover the some questions of exercise 20a. So friends, here let's get started. Here question number second, we'll start from question number second because question number one is based on formula. We apply the formula, friends, of rectangle. We can find out the area. We can apply the formula of rectangle, that means area of rectangle, and find out their dimension. Okay, now see the question number second says find the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which is 48 meter and its diagonal is 50 meter. Okay, we have to find the area of rectangular plot. So draw the rectangular plot, friends. This is the rectangular plot. Okay, this suppose A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D is the rectangular plot. Okay, now which one side is given? One side, but there is no mention about this is length or breadth. It doesn't matter. Either it could be AB is 48 centimeter or it is 48 centimeter. Okay, and its diagonal is 50 meter. Now friends, the diagonal, this is the diagonal is 50 meter. Suppose one side is, friends, suppose this is 48. Suppose, then we can find out the, friends, area. So in order to find out area, friends, we need length and breadth. So one side, suppose length is given but this is not given. Suppose this is B, friends, that we have to find the value of B. How we can find out? Remember, friends, diagonal of from formula, diagonal of rectangle, friends, under root length square plus B for breadth square. Remember, friends, and diagonal is given 50 meter. 50 meter is here, is equal to under root L is, suppose L is 48 meter plus B, we have to find B square. Okay, friends, now this is 50, friends. Now here, friends, we take the taking a square on both sides, taking a square on both sides, B for both, H for side. Now this is 50 square is equal to 48 whole square under root plus B square whole square. Now see, friends, here 50 square means 550 into 50, that means 2500, and remove the square root, friends, so this becomes okay. Now friends, this is 200,500 is equal to 48 multiplied by 48. Now multiply, friends, check. Now friends, multiply, and now let us check is it correct or not. Now friends, this 2304, so this is B square. So B square is equal to, friends, 252 times 0 minus 2304. Okay, B square is equal to, after subtracting, friends, this is 10, 4, 6, 9, this is 9, this is 4, 1, this is, friend, 14 square, 196 is, friend, this is 14 square. Okay, afterward, friends, B square is equal to, this is 14 square, so we can write B is equal to 14 meter. Okay, now L is here and B is here. Now area, friends, area of rectangular plot, this is L into B. L is 48 friends and B is 14. So this is meter square. Now friends, multiply 48 multiply by 14 gets the answer. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Now friends, see question number 4 says that the area of rectangular field is 3584 meter square and its length is 64 meter. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 km per hour. How long will he take to go 5 times around it? Now friends, there is a given the statement says, this question says that there is a rectangular field. Suppose that ABCD is a rectangular field and the area of this rectangular field is given 3584. Okay, and the length is given 64 meter. Then a boy who runs around this perimeter, that means around this rectangular field at the rate of this speed 6 km per hour. Okay, then how long will he take, means how long will he take to go 5 times around it. कहने का मतलब है कि एक बच्चा है, एक लड़का है जो इस पेरीमीटर के चारों ओर दौड़ता है. वो कितनी स्पीड से, वो स्पीड उसकी कितनी है 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. तो कह रहा है कि ये 5 बार इसके जब चक्कर लगाएगा तो उसकी कितनी दूरी होगी वो फाइंड करना. सॉरी, कितना दूरी होगा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, वो फाइंड करना है. डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना. ओके, डिस्टेंस. नो स्पीड इज गिवन फ्रेंड्स. ओके, स्पीड इज कितनी दी हुई, स्पीड इसकी दी हुई स्पीड वाली डी, उस लड़के की स्पीड कितनी दी हुई 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, एंड इसका डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना. व्हेन दिस बॉय 5 times move around this perimeter. Okay, now first friends we have to need the breadth, length diye breadth. Now area is given friends, area of this is area is equal to L into B. So the area is given 3 5 8 4. This is L 64 and B is multiply B. Okay, we have to find the value of B. B is equal to friends 3 5 8 4 divided by 64. Now the length of B after dividing friends, here 4 1 ja 4 4 1 ja 4 and 4 6 ja 24. This is 4 9 4 8 ja friends 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 6 ja 24. So becomes friends, this is 8 9 6 divided by 16. Once again 4 4 ja 4, 4 2 ja friends 4 2 ja and 4 4 ja 16. Once again friends 224 will get cancelled by 4. Now see 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20 friends and 4 6 ja 26. So the length B is equal to 56. So B is equal to 56 meter friends. That is B is 56 meter. Then we can easily find out friends. Have a look. Easy find out because the one boy runs around this rectangular path. That means around this perimeter. This. So the boy will cover the distance. Suppose starting point is here. Runs this distance AB, this distance, okay friends, BC, and this distance, this is DC and CD, and this is, okay friends, DA. So this is one time, and similarly they can run, because similarly they run 5 times about this, along this path friends. Okay, so first we have to find the perimeter of this. Now perimeter friends, perimeter of this is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so 2 is 2, L is given friends 64 and B is 56. Now friends, to add the values, multiply friends this meter. So the perimeter is 224. Now friends, the required distance the required distance is 5 multiplied by 240, because friends, this boy runs around this path, along this path 5 times. So this is one path. That means if he runs one complete perimeter, this is, then similarly we can run the 5 times of this perimeter. So 5 multiplied by this perimeter, friends, so this is 0. This is, friends, 1200 meter. This is required answer. I hope you will be clear. Now friends, see, sorry friends, the distance is not the answer, because we have to find the time. Okay, now friends, we have already found, friends, we have already found d is equal to distance is equal to distance means, friends, perimeter. Distance, the required distance that the boy runs is equal to, friends, 1200 meters, and the speed is given, friends. Okay, now we have to find the time to cover this distance. That means 5 times of the perimeter of rectangular cloth. Okay, now this is, friends, we have to change this, friends, into kilometer, because this is kilometer is given, friends, speed is kilometer per hour. Okay, so we have to change the same unit. Okay, now here divide, friends, by 1000, 20 will get cancelled, 12 by 10, so this is 2 6 ja and 2 5 ja, so 6 by 5 is the kilometer, friends. Okay, now the time is, friends, the time means speed is equal to distance by time, distance by time, then time is equal to, friends, distance by speed. Okay, so distance, friends, distance is 6 by 5 kilometer. Okay, now the time, the speed is given 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, now friends, here 6 by 5, and then this is 6, and the kilometer will get cancelled, and it goes up. This is, so this will get cancelled one time, so 1 by 5 hours. But we have to change in minutes, friends. 1 by 5 now multiply by 16 becomes minute. 5 1 ja and 5 12 times, this 12 minute is the correct answer. I hope, friends, you will be clear. 12 minutes correct answer. Now see, friends, question number 6 says, find the cost of carpeting a room 13 meter by 9 meter with a carpet of width 75 centimeter at the rate of rupees 105 per meter. Means, friends, we have to spread the carpet on the room, and the room has dimension 3 multiplied by 9 meter. Okay, so first we have to find out the area of the room, means area of the room floor, area of the room. Okay, now then, friends, the width of the carpet is given 75 centimeter, but here the unit is different. First, friends, we have to change this centimeter in terms of meter. Okay, now and consider the length of the carpet is suppose x. Okay, we consider the length of the carpet is x meter. Okay, now first we have to change, friends. 75 divided by 100 becomes, this is as it is, this is meter. Okay, now friends, so we have to spread the carpet on the floor of the room. That means we have to find out the first area of the room floor, then we go to the market and purchase the carpet with the length. What, friends? After measuring the length, whatever the length is, suppose L, so that means, friends, if the L length is x and the width of the carpet is this, if we multiply, this is the required 8 that we need, and after spreading with this length and this width, then so the floor, the first, that means the land of the room will completely cover. So this multiply by this means this length multiply by this width is equal to the area of the floor of the room. Okay friends, now required friends, area of land, area of the room of the land, जमीन का एक्चुअली मुझे नीचे जमीन का एरिया निकालना, एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर ऑफ रूम इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द needed carpet. Now friends, area of the floor, this is 9 multiplied by 13, this is L into B friends, 13 multiplied by 9, and the area of the carpet friends, length is x consider, and the breadth is friends 75 by 100 because becomes friends meter. Okay, here now friends we will solve here and find out the value of x, that is length. Okay, now here friends have a look, this x is equal to friends cross multiplication, this 1 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 100 divided by friend, this is 75, x becomes, or other friends we can write the next line, this is 75x cross multiplication, this is 75x and here is 1, 75x multiplied by 1, this is 75x. No, here x is equal to friends, look at friend, this is 9 multiplied by 100 as it is, and this is 75, so 15 5 ja, we can write friends, this is 90 10 and here is the 10, 15 5 is 75 and 15 6 ja 90 and 5 2 ja 10, so here 13 multiplied by 12. Now 13 multiplied by 12, this is x is equal to 13 multiplied by 12 150, this is meter square. Okay friends, this is meter, sorry. Now friend, here we got the meter, we got the length of the carpet, this is the required length of the carpet, so that the carpet completely cover the floor of the room. Now friends, we have to multiply the required cost, required friends cost of the carpet is 105 multiplied by this length, so this becomes friends, this is 1 a 6 16,380 rupees. So this is your answer. I hope friends you will be understand. Now your homework friends, to complete the question number 1 to 7 of exercise 20A. Have a nice day.